If your task manager is showing a blank screen and is not displaying any running applications or processes, it can be quite frustrating. Many common suggestions involve checking task manager settings, but these are ineffective when the entire interface is empty. We will walk through several robust solutions to get your task manager working correctly again. First, we will run a system file checker scan. Open the Windows search bar and type Command Prompt. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Administrator Command Prompt window, type sfc/scannow and then press Enter. This command will scan your system for corrupted or missing Windows files and attempt to repair them. Please allow this process to complete, as it may take some time. Next, we will perform a disk cleanup to remove any temporary files that might be causing conflicts. In the Windows search bar, type Disk Cleanup and select the Disk Cleanup application. In the Disk Cleanup window, ensure that all the boxes are checked, indicating you want to clean up all temporary files. Then, click OK and confirm by selecting Delete Files. Another crucial step is to ensure your Windows is up to date. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Navigate to the Windows Update tab in the left pane. In the right pane, click on the Check for Updates button. If any updates are available, download and install them. Finally, after completing these steps, it is essential to restart your computer. Right-click on the Start button and select Shut Down or Sign Out. Then choose Restart. This will allow all the changes and updates to be applied properly. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.